So we have learned the ifs statement, which very simply replaces the lengthy nested if statement. However, if none of the conditions mentioned in the if statement gives a true answer, then you will get a not available error. And how do we eliminate this not available error appearing in the price list or in your Excel sheet? For that, we are going to use another function called if error. Let's see how this works. Let me write the function error open bracket. It has two parameters. One, value. First parameter can be either just a cell or just a value or a formula. And if that value or a cell or a formula results into error, then what should be done is here. Let's write that formula here in price list. Formula we are going to write as if error open bracket this entire formula comma what if this entire formula gives a not available error, what we need to do. So we are going to nest if statement inside if error. So I'm going to write if error open bracket, then we have this expression which is ifs, and we write a comma. So if this expression results into an error, in that case we want an empty cell there. So I'm giving two quotation marks without any space in between, and I close the bracket to close the if error formula and hit enter, and you see that the error has gone. I'm going to drag it up and drag it down. So this is how you get rid of ifs error in your Excel file and make it look neat. So once again, if error has two parameters. Number one is the expression itself, and if that expression gives an error result, then this is the parameter which will replace the value in the cell. So instead of displaying an error, it is going to display something which you want it to display, just like how we displayed the empty cells here instead of NA error. However, it is very important to understand the reason of the error that has appeared before you eliminate that error using if error function. For example, in this particular case, the NA error appears in ifs statement only when none of the conditions presented in if statement hold true. So in that particular case, it is all right to eliminate the error with an empty cell. So make sure that you have understood your formulas correct and you have tried and tested various possibilities. In this particular case, how would you check that? You have to check whether you have entered the conditions for all these parameters in your if statement. Second, you would check is make sure that none of the products are having product category code which are not appearing in this table. So once you have done this check, then you can go ahead and eliminate the error using if error statement.